Morning students. Today we will revise chapter 3 fiber to fabric in grade 7 science NCERT book. We already clearly discussed about properties of wool, rearing, selective breed, Indian breeds and process of wool. These topics today we are going to revise. First one, properties of wool. Wool is protein fiber. It's curly and elastic in nature. It absorbs moisture and sound because it's hollow. And which is the softest wool in the world? Yes, merino wool is the softest wool in the world. It's obtained from the merino sheep. It is commonly used to make apparel. Apparel means yes, clothes. For apparel for running, mountain climbing, cycling, and into other type of outdoor aerobic exercise. So, merino wool is the softest wool in the world. Rearing of sheep. Rearing of sheep means what? Proper care of them, maintaining good hygiene so that they do not suffer from any kind of diseases. It's like overall taking care of animals. They mostly feed on grasses, leaves and plants, and also feed on pulses, grains, oil cakes and minerals. These all for maintain proper hygiene, because if not maintain hygiene, there are chance to get infection. There are chance to get infection and disease that would make them ill. Rearing means overall taking care of animals. Next, we are going to see selective breeding. Selective breeding means, yes, sheep are selectively bred to produce good quality sheep. What do you mean by selective breeding? Selective breeding means we choose the good quality sheep. That means the parents are specially chosen so they can give birth to offspring. Offspring means young one, which have good quality of wool. Every young one or offspring resemble their parents. Every young one or offspring resemble their parents. So offspring yield good quality of wool in large quantities. This is called selective breeding. It's also defined as process of breeding among the parents with desirable characters to get in their offspring. Desirable character to get in their offspring is termed as selective breeding. Indian breeds. Name of the breed, quality of wool, state where found. First one, Logi, yield good quality of wool, found in Rajasthan and Punjab. Next one, Rambo, Bush Air, yield brown fleece, found in Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh. Noli, its yield carpet wool, found in Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab. Baharwal for woolen shawls, Jammu and Kashmir. It's found in Jammu and Kashmir. Next one, Marwari Posh wool. It's found in Gujarat. Next one, Pandan body for Hosairi. Hosairi means what? Yes, it's used to make socks and ties. It's found in Gujarat. We are going to see process of wool. So there are few steps are involved in this process. They are shearing, scoring, shorting, combing, cording and dyeing. First we will see shearing. Shearing. Shearing means what? Shearing is the process of removal of the woolly covering along with the thin layer of skin. This woolly cover along with a thin layer, we call it as a fleece. If the woolly layer is being removed from the body of the sheep, do you think does it hurt them? No, actually the process is painless because the topmost layer of the sheep skin is made up of dead cells. It does not have any sensation, so it's not hurt them. It can be the shearing can be done manually with a large razor or with a shearing machine. Shearing is usually done during the hot season so that sheep can survive in hot season. If we not remove that wool means it will be die because of overheat. Next, scouring. Scouring, the process of washing the wool with soap water to remove dust, dirt and grease is known as scouring. So this is a washing process. This is a washing process to remove dirt and grease from the wool or a fleece. Next one, sorting. Sorting consists of separating hair of different structure. So, wool yielding animals have a two types of wool. One is a coarse wool, another one is a fine under wool. So, these are the wools we are sorting out by their texture. This is we called as sorting. Next one, combing. It is process of yeah, removing and combing out small fluffy fibers. These small fluffy fibers are called burrs. So these burrs are removed from the wool. This process we call it as a combing, and also the wools are straightening and also the wools are straightening. Next, cording. Cording machine combs loosen wool fibers into a sheet. It's make loosen wools into a sheet. This process we call it as a cording. Next one, dyeing. The natural hair of sheep is white, brown or black. It's dyed in different colors. This one we call it as a dyeing. And after that one, we make it as a yarn. Next, the wool is straightened, combed and spun into yarn. After spinning, the wool is either woven or knitted. The shorter fibers are woven into woolen cloth. Longer fibers are knitted into wool for sweaters. Next topic is occupational hazards. Occupational hazards. What is mean by occupational hazard? There are many workers in wool industry. They are facing many problems due to the wool. So what do you mean by the occupational hazards? An occupational hazard is any of risk of injury or disease or other health problems that workers in an industry may face, that is called occupational hazards. So, wool industry is an important means of livelihood for many people in our country. But shortest job is riskier. Sometimes they get infected by a bacterium anthrax, which causes a fatal blood disease called shorter disease. Such risks faced by workers in any industry are called occupational hazards. Now we will see few fill-ups from these topics. First one, dash is the finest wool in the world. Dash is the finest wool in the world. So merino wool is the finest wool in the world. Next one, dash fiber absorb good amount of moisture and sound. Yes, wool fiber absorb good amount of moisture and sound. Next one, the fiber which had curls and give a spongy feel is dash. The fiber which had curls and give a spongy feel is wool. Next one, llama and alpaca also eat, yes, wool. They also eat wool. These two animals are camel family. These are a camel family. And next one, by the process of dash we get offspring with special characters. Yes, the process of selective breed. Selective breed we get offspring with special character. Sixth one, washing of seared skin is known as dash. Washing of sheared skin is known as scoring. Scoring is a process. Scoring is a process of washing. Okay, washing of sheared skin is known as scoring. In dash process, the hair of different structures are separate. Shorting. Shorting is the shorting process. In shorting process, the hair of different structures are separate. Next one, the process of removal of fleas from the body of sheep is called dash. The process of removal of fleas from the body of sheep is called shearing. Answer is shearing. Next, animal fibers are made up of dash complex compound. Animal fibers are made up of dash complex compound. We already know this one. Animal fibers are made up of protein complex compound. Next one, plant fibers are made up of dash complex compound. Yes, cellulose complex compound. Plant fibers are made up of cellulose complex compound. Next, this is the answer for that fill-ups. Next, answer the following. First one, shearing is not hurt the sheep. Why? Shearing is not hurt the sheep. Why? Answer, the upper layer of the skin is made up of dead cells which does not have any sensation. It does not have any sensation. So, shearing does not hurt a sheep. It is just like getting haircut. Just like getting haircut. Next, what do you mean by occupational hazard? Answer, risk faced by workers in any industry are called occupational hazards. There are many workers in wool industry. They are facing certain hazards in shortest job. There are many workers in wool industry. They are facing certain hazards in shortest job. It's caused by bacterium anthrax, which causes a deadly blood disease called Shorter's disease. Next, define the term selective breeding. Answer, the process of breeding of selective parents for obtaining special character in their offspring, such as soft underhair in sheep, is termed as selective breeding. Next, sheep are herbivores. So, which type of feed or food is provided by shepherds? Answer, sheep are herbivores and prefer grass and leaves of various trees. Their food also contain a mixture of pulses, corn, oil cake. What does it mean by oil cake? Materials left after taking out oil from seeds and minerals. Next, after shearing, sheep dip in antiseptic solution. Give reason. Answer, after shearing, sheep is dipped in an antiseptic solution to protect the body from disease or infection. Students, write down these questions in your classwork. Thank you.